the top 4 must-have credit cards in the year 2022. Is it ever enough to only have one credit card? I mean, let's be honest. Some of us just want to have it multiple ways. Some of us just want to have our cake and to eat it too. What the hell am I talking about? What's up guys, it's Brandon, this is BZ Investing, and in today's video, I will be telling you the top 4 credit cards to have in your wallet in 2022. All right, so for credit card number 1, I'm going to be twisting things up a bit. I'm going to tell you 2 credit cards that you need to have right now, okay? Because everybody's different. Sometimes our credit score sucks. Sometimes we need to rebuild our credit score. And I'm going to be giving you these 2 credit cards to help you with that, okay? Before I give you the bangers, before I give you the absolute must-haves, they better be in your wallet, you damn scrub. I'm sorry, I got carried away. But yes, that is the Discover It credit card and the Citi Double Cash credit card. Absolute must-haves for the absolute beginner. We all start somewhere. First off, Discover It. No annual fee, so let's just get that out the way. That's number 1. Number 2, you can earn 5% cash back every quarter for purchases at different places like Amazon.com, grocery stores, dining, etc. I mean, that is absolutely wonderful. And then they give you 1% cash back after that on all purchases. Absolutely amazing for a beginner credit card. And if you think that's not enough, for the first year, their promo that they're giving consumers is that they will match your cash back that you earned in the first year of having a credit card. All the cash back that you earn, they will match it completely 100%. That is amazing. Free money. So whatever you have in cash back at the end of the year after all your purchases, let's just say you have $100 of cash back that you earned, they will match that dollar for dollar in the first year. Free money, like, bruh. But let's move on to the next one, okay? The second credit card that I said that I will lump together, and that is the Citi Double Cash credit card. Now, Brandon, what's the difference with the Citi Double Cash and the Discover It credit card? Well, first off, no annual fee, okay, for both. Second off, with the Citi Double Cash, you earn 2% cash back on all purchases. Yes, I'm serious, all right? I did not stutter. A beginner credit card that's giving you 2% cash back. Why don't most people know about this card? I didn't, and I just feel stupid now because now I know and I'm just like, can I go back in time and get this card? But really though, Citi Double Cash, amazing, 2% cash back. You get 1% when you purchase something and then 1% when you pay off that purchase. 2%. Now we move on to the big dogs and we're starting off with the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Yes, it is not the Chase Freedom Flex, and let me tell you why. First off, with the Chase Freedom Unlimited, there is no annual fee. Second off, the promo that they have to sign up to get the credit card, they are offering $200 after you spend $500 in your first 3 months. Awesome promotion for this type of credit card. Also, at the time of this recording, they are offering a 5% cash back on gas purchases within your first year of signing up and getting the credit card. Pretty good. And then the obvious cashback rewards like 5% cashback on travel purchases, 3% cashback on dining purchases, 3% cashback on drugstore purchases, and 1.5% cashback on all other eligible purchases. Now, Brandon, why do you recommend the Chase Freedom Unlimited when I think I should have the Chase Freedom Flex? But what's different is you get an extra 0.5% with the Chase Freedom Unlimited versus the Chase Freedom Flex in purchases on everything, okay? On everything. So you're wondering like, really, bruh? 0.5% more? Really? And I'm like, yes. Okay, yes, I understand that you can get 5% cash back on bonus categories every quarter with the Chase Freedom Flex. I understand, but let's be honest. Those categories you can't choose from. They provide for you to purchase from, okay? So it's a little different here, right? You don't have the added flexibility of just saying, okay, I have this amount of cash back in this category every year, all time, right? Every quarter it's gonna change. And so I don't really see pure value in that. Some people may, but for me, that's why I'd rather take the Chase Freedom Unlimited. I get the extra 0.5% cash back and that's that. All right, so for the next to last credit card that you must have, we are staying in the Chase family. And why are we staying in the Chase family? Because we are going to go with the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Now let's talk about the point multipliers that you get with the Chase Sapphire Preferred. You get 5 times the amount of points on purchases with travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards, 2 times the amount of points on all other travel purchases, 3 times the amount of points on online grocery purchases, excluding places like Walmart and Target, 3 times the amount of points on dining purchases, 3 times the amount of points on select streaming purchases. Yes, there is a $95 annual fee with this credit card. This is where it starts, this is where it begins, but there's a reason for it, all right? And let's get to the main reason, the main benefit to have the Chase Sapphire Preferred. With the Chase Sapphire Preferred, your points are worth 25% more when you redeem them for travel. Okay, so what does that mean? For example, let's say you have $1,000 worth of points, so 100,000 points. With this 25% added benefit, your $1,000 is now worth $1,250, just like that, when you use it through the Sapphire Preferred. So if you have like the Chase Freedom Unlimited and you have points with that account, you can transfer those points to the Chase Sapphire Preferred and have it all collectively in one and use your points accordingly. You need to do it. It's just beautiful. You can have both cards and just use them at one when you want to, when it satisfies you, when it benefits you. I mean, it's just duh. All right, you made it. You made it to the best part of the video, the #1 credit card that you need to have in your wallet in 2022, and that is the American Express Gold Card. Yes, an absolute beauty, the king. All right, so what do I mean by this? Why is it the best? Well, first off, with the point multipliers, you get 4 times the amount of points on purchases at restaurants, 4 times the amount of points on purchases at US supermarkets, up to $25,000 per year, 3 times the amount of points on flight purchases through Amex Travel, and 1 point for all other eligible purchases. I mean, an absolute beast. This card does have an annual fee of $250. Okay, we get it. But they do offer 2 credits of $120 each that you can essentially cut down that annual fee of $250 to $10. So if anything that you take from this video, you better have that damn American Express Gold Card, or it's a wrap. And those are the top must-have credit cards to have in 2022. And check out this video where I tell you how to climb the credit card pyramid. Peace.